What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a review of set 40765 Camino Training Facility. This is a gift with purchase from May 1st to the 5th. It comes with 3 unique figs, all new. As you can see, they're all clone cadets. They're the same print, just different weapons. Great arm printing and dual-molded legs. These figures, best probably gift with purchase in a while. And then, other than the figs, you have this cool KE8 Enforcer. It was seen on Camino. You can fit one figure in the pilot spot. And then the engines can turn. And they do. And then this will raise if you want to have it down. Then for takeoff, you put it like this. And yeah, so that's that. And then for side builds, you have this gun rack, which is also, I don't know, like a barricade cover or something. But you can fit some guns in, 3 guns. And you have this spinning turret that spins and has 4 blasters. And overall, this is a great build. It's fun. The figs, main part to buy this. These 3 of them in one for a gift with purchase, and they're all unique. They've never been made before. No clone cadets. So if you feel like spending $160 on Star Wars, do it now. Later.